lady.
Thank you.
Right corner.
Sam!
Wow. That's a lot of corn, baby.
Sam! Hi, Ben! Hey, guys.
Hello.
You guys ready to go to the maze?
Yep.
Going in the maze.
Was there a sign that said no strollers? But no, I'm just asking. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine.
It'll be easier with the stroller.
Yeah, well.
I'll get the stroller. Kids are gone. Can't videotape them. Whee! Swing him over here. Whee! Boo, 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 boo. He's like, whatever. We gotta find the kids. Oh, I see one. Kids!
Hey, Van.
Oh, dear, yeah.
There's a pathway right here.
Sean!
We found the short
This is no fair, Van.
Yeah, as big and see.
You got a big sight. Actually got lost.
There's Sean.
I actually got lost.
I think
But
you were jumping around, whistling and hiding in around and stuff.
No, I made it to the end, but then I figured out you aren't here yet, so I went back. I got lost, heard your voices, then cut through a narrow path.
Where did Quinn go? Oh no, she ran up ahead. Oh, there she is. Oh, I gotta go around, Sam, because of the stroller.
They're just a bunch of cheaters.
Hold on, hold on.
Is it Grandpa?
I can't credit.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Grandpa.
Where'd you get the nuts from, huh? Found them?
Yeah, after I gave up looking for you, I got lost myself and found a big brook. I was over in that.
Quinn!
Quinn! Say hi! There's the maze we were in.
Are they?
That was so good.
Damn.
There's Sean and Sam jumping on the jumping pillow. Uh-oh. There it is. Let me see, Quinn. Oh, pretty.
There you go.
Cow. Look, Quinn. The baby cows.
Look at the teeth. See? It's like it's chewing its cud.
Quinn, did you say hi to the little baby pigs?
Do you like the cow?
Quinn, what do you think?
You gotta say hi.
Oh, he's smiling. Yay! Look at him on a pony. Or I might not even be calling it right. It is. He's so proud.
Full of hair.
That's cute, Van.
Has he seen the cow, the baby cow yet?
He's not hungry, Rod. Put it down. He's not hungry. He already had his lunch and dinner. Put it down. He said he's not hungry.
What do you think, Van? Alright, so we're all eating dinner together and Van is waiting for his food. There is Quinn with her face painted from this afternoon and Sam. Oops, gotta zoom out. Hey everybody. You have to get me in the video in a few minutes. I mean later, Greg.
We're gonna return.